Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, starting today on the daily chart where we are looking at our big impulse towards the upside. We are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are currently in the wave 5 towards the upside, where we are possibly looking for prices over 100k. And inside this wave 5, after of course here finishing in ABC for your wave 4, and then we are looking of course at 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, right? This is exactly what we would like to see, unless in another scenario where this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is your wave 1 only after a diagonal, but with a very shallow wave 2, which is very low possibility, right? And then having 3, 4, and a 5 finishing in one wave 5 towards the upside, of course, which is of course because of a one diagonal here as wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which it can be possible because but very low possibility, right? Because of the wave 2 is very shallow in time, right? Which is a very low possibility. It's look much more of course for a 1, 2 here, right? More than a big 1, 2, right? So it's much more clearer in that way. So let's take a look at the channeling, the channels on the daily. Also, let's see where are we in terms of channeling. As you can see, we have broke those two channels, which are the correction and the acceleration channel, and we entered the acceleration channel lower part, which are we are ranging for it, and of course we are looking even to touch this midline for the next prices. And as you can see that now Bitcoin has touched already with this correction the midline in the lower part, right? The mid of the lower part here, and we are looking kind of like a rejection a little bit and then maybe retest. So we're gonna see this on the 1 hour chart. Let's move to it and see what is going on inside it. So it's nice to see the channels as well. Where are we from it? And here we go. This is where we where we have bottom for the channel in the midline, and of course we are looking, as we said yesterday, it's an A, B, and a C. Is it a finished correction? Probably, of course. I mean, we are looking for a wave 4 in the orange scenario, which is should be of course a related to your wave 2 here in the orange scenario, and your wave 2 is a very long wave in time, right? So we need at least to reach 1 to 1 for a wave 4 in time to say, okay, we are ready to go. Now the things are that we have hit the 0.23 fib level, taken of course from that wave 2 level till the high. So that is perfect. This is the minimum fib target required for a wave 4. Check. But the time is still very early to move on. Now, the time was never a rule, of course. It is a guideline, but however, most of the time, even Bitcoin respect a little bit the time of or required of the waves. Yeah. So I think the minimum requirement is a 1 to 1. Now, don't forget that even as a wave 4, it is, but very possible, a very low possibility that it can move from the 0.618. So it can be, guys, it can be a possibility that it moves from the 0.618, but it's very low possibility. So what I think is, what's happening is that I think we might, of course, look for more lower prices, and as I said yesterday, tomorrow it could be an A, B, and a C, finishing here a small leg between, of course, 3 waves down and then 3 waves up, and then continuation 5 waves towards the downside. And I said be careful, of course, from a sharp wave C towards the downside. So this might be the thing still working and still happening, very probable. So of course I think we are still corrective due to the time required, of course, for this wave to finish. It is very low to finish before the 1 to 1 fib level. So in my opinion, the 1-to-1 is the minimum requirement, and we might see even possible lower prices at 0.38 FIB level. So these are the updates on the 1 hour chart. Of course, I think that in case, of course, we seek for higher prices, it's still corrective, because as you can see as well on KGT signals, I already said this on the Discord in the morning, of course, and I said, okay, there is some selling pressures already. We don't see any buy signal. Your last signal was given as a sell, and we are still looking at a pressure of sellers when we get a little bit higher. So you can imagine that the higher we go, the seller will stronger be, of course, and especially that we have already a selling signal. So we might get a new sell signal today, which it can be our daily trade actually. I know it is 1 minute chart again on KGT, but yeah, one signal can give you one whole day, to be honest, as a trade. So that would be great to see, of course. Yeah, so guys, if you would like to see much more from KGT signals, it is on the Discord, and the Discord, of course, you can join it through the membership on the Patreon that I have the link, of course, in the description below. You can join me there, and I would be glad to see you there also, guys. And of course, every morning I'm putting all the signals from KGT, like the ETH, the Solana, and the XRP, Link, Doge, BNB, AVAX, DOT, NEAR, and FTM. So far these cryptos signals are already to be updated every morning. So you can see it there. And of course, if I see any signals interesting to share as well, not just in the morning, it will be on the Discord as well. The Discord also has a lot of channels for analyzing and TAs, of course, and a special request for an opinion about a analysis. So I would be glad to give it on Discord as well. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one, and have a nice day. Bye bye.